and welcome back. It's Toe of the Week. Did another set of toes that turned out darling, matching the nails I did on Monday. Those beautiful ombre butterfly winged nails. Well, now I've got some cute toes to match them and even some accent little toes. So I can't wait to show you guys this one. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this, hit the notification so you don't miss any videos. And other than that, let's get started on this design. Also, got a great outfit to come on Friday for my Fashion Fridays outfit of the day. Let's get started, guys. Everybody take care and God bless. Hey everyone, so here's what I chose to go with for this week's toe design. A beautiful butterfly look with rhinestones. If you'd like to know how I did this one, continue watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to Toe of the Week. Going to do another beautiful toe design, and as always it will match with the nails that I did on Monday. I did those beautiful butterfly wing ombre look, and that's what I'm going to be doing on the toes. Now the toes I always do a little bit different, but it always matches and goes together. So let me show you. For starters, I got the toes all painted up. Now if you see any dryness around the edges, I just got to use some cuticle oil. I used pure acetone to clean them off so they get a little dry. I will have that cleaned up at the end when you see the end photo. But anyways, this is the one I'm using, the LA Colors, and it is called Bali Bliss. Beautiful teal color, I love it. And then for that ombre color, I'm gonna use this one here, the Miracle Gel, Sally Hanson, and this one is called Supercharge 350. Okay, then after that, I will be doing on the big toe, just like I did on the finger, one of the wings. And that plate is this plate number right here. And it's actually this image right here. I really liked that image and it reminded me of a butterfly wing. So it'll be that. Then on the baby toes, they are going to also be done in the ombre look, but on one toe, I'm going to do a accent toe with a butterfly, and I'm going to be using the same plate. I'm going to use one of these smaller butterflies. I'm just going to stamp and then take off the butterflies that end up on the stamping plate. I'll show you that. And I just want like maybe two, like maybe these two really tiny ones on like my middle toe. I just want to have an accent toe, but I will be doing the ombre on all of them. And then I will be adding in a few crystals with ASP nail glue. It'll be this glue here. And I'll be using this wheel of crystals I got. I'll be adding in that like I did on my finger there. And maybe on the little baby toes. I will be using just this stamper here. And this is what, or I'm sorry, this is the stamper, this is the scraper. This is the company I ordered both of them through. So I'll be using that to stamp on. And then I will finish off and dry everything up. Oh, I'll be using this to do the stamping with, the Wet n Wild Black. It's called Black Cream. And then I will dry everything up with the Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. Oh, you can see that, okay. So I am going to get started on the ombre part, and I will return to show all of you guys what I'm doing. All right, so now I have got them done with that ombre look. I kind of messed this one up just a little bit because I'm using my finger to do it instead of a sponge. So I'm just gonna clear coat that, it'll flatten down, and then I'm gonna be going over with that stamping plate. So I'm not gonna worry about taking all the polish off. It'll look fine. Don't worry about that, especially if you're stamping. So let me show you how I'm doing that. You can see all the baby toes are done here. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to paint on, not a lot of paint on your brush. Don't get a lot on your brush. And then just go across your toe up about halfway up your toe. You don't got to go perfect line or anything because we're going to be ombreing this. So just go like that. And then just with your finger, just kind of tap it a little bit just to give it that, you know, ombre look. You don't want this to be such a bright green. You see that if you tap with your finger, now it kind of, you know, did that. And then if you need a little bit more, you just tap through, but it's so pretty like that. You see you got that color shift then. And that's what I was talking about, that color shift. God, I should see so much dryness around my toes. I will get that clean, or, you know, done up with the cuticle oil. But anyway, so there's that there. There's the color shift. Now I'm going to top coat over that with Seche Vite and let them smooth down before I start stamping. I will return to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so now we've got the wing going like a butterfly wing on this one. And then we've got the couple little black butterflies right there. Isn't that cute on the accent toe? I love it. So let me show you how I'm doing this. It's just a stamp design, which I love doing stamping because it is a lot easier, but I am a freehand girl, so I do like to do my art freehand. It's just I'm kind of busy this week. So, all right, let's get the plate down. It's all cleaned off. Get this inside of here. Okay, now I'm going to put the black paint on it. I'm going to start with the wing one for the big toe. So you're just going to paint the whole image. I need this one, the whole image, which I did the whole image on the nails, if you guys seen that in the video. But I did take some off with the scraper. After I put the image on the stamper, I took some of it off. But the big toe, this is perfect size for that. So we're going to go like this and stamp it down. Pick up the image. Beautiful pickup. Okay, let's pull this aside. And then we're going to put this right here. I'm doing them, one was going one way, one was going the other. So we're just gonna get this lined up because I can see through here, which is cool with a clear stamper, and just go like that. There we go. And there's a little bit of cleanup. I will do that, but let's get the little butterflies on first. I use a lint roller to clean the rest off of the plate. Always use a lint roller to do it. Okay, now the next image. Get this in here. Sorry, guys. Okay, clean this off. All right, and then we're gonna go to those little butterflies there. Sorry about that, I got a phone call, so I got knocked off. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the butterflies, and I'm just picking up just these two right here. Just these two little ones here. I'm just gonna fill those in with the black paint there, and then just scrape it off. Just go like that at an angle there. And then we're gonna pick them up. And then of course, those are perfect, but that little bit I have there, I'll just use my scraper to get it off there. And then we're gonna put those on the smaller toe. Let's get this out of the way. I'm just gonna put this on the middle toe right here. So let's see, the other ones are going one way, so I'm gonna have these going this way. And I'm sure you can't see this one. Oh yeah, sure you can, okay. Let's see, let me get lined up and then I'll put it down for you guys to see, and just go like that. And now you got the two cute little butterflies. Isn't that adorable? I love it with the little butterflies on it. Kind of just, you know, made it a little bit more fun because a lot of times when I do designs, I'm just doing it on the big toe and I leave all the rest. So sometimes I like to do that little accent toe, and I just thought it would be pretty because I'm stamping and I had those smaller butterflies. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go into the black acrylic paint now. This is at Walmart. It's Apple Barrel, 50 cents. I'm gonna go into that now to go around and border around the big toe like I did on the fingers like that, where I bordered it so I could put the white dots in. So, and I'm gonna be working with the wand, Robin Moses's wand here. There's her site to go to order brushes. It's robinmosesnailart.com. So, all right, so I will be right back. I'm just letting this dry up. I'll be right back and I will show you. All right, now I've got that one done with the black going around the bottom and the top of the toe. So let me draw in and show you here. I'm going to be dipping into the black here. It's just black acrylic paint and the brush. I'm just gonna get a little bit on the brush here. And then I'm gonna just go into this corner here and just thicken this up here so that I have a spot to put the dots like I did on my fingers. So we're just gonna just kind of slide around here, make it thinner there, but thicker into that one area here. Have all that filled in there. And then up here, just gonna make this thicker on this side and go around thinner. But that way I have the spot to put those butterflies in. So let's get down into the cuticle area here, the side walls. Like that. And then just bring it around slightly there. And then we'll just have the black on the tip here. Like that. Okay. And now I'm just gonna get my cleanup brush real quick and just clean that around the toe right there. Just clean this off real quick while everything's still wet, because then it works a little better, a little quicker and faster. But like that. All right, now we're gonna do the little white dots. So I'm gonna do that, do a couple, and I'll return. Okay, now I've got the white dots. I'm using the same brush to do that and using the white acrylic now, also by Apple Barrel. Just got a little bit of white on this cover here. So I'm just gonna dip in just a tiny bit on the end of the brush, and now we're just gonna dot it in and just have a, you know, light touch. If you have a real light touch, it's gonna be a smaller dot. If you go a little harder, it'll be a bigger dot. So let me straighten this brush out though, because I just noticed that the brush isn't coming to a point right now. So we need it to be a point when I do this. Okay. Now when I set it down, I'll get some bigger ones, some smaller ones. However I set the brush down. If I set it down really lightly, I'm going to get a small dot. And you can also use a dotting tool for this. That's going to give you more precise. And then we're going to go to the top up here. And same thing. Let's put a couple bigger ones, a couple smaller ones. Like that, going around here. Lightly touch. Just going around in that area. And then I'm going to put another one down in here like that. All right, and that right there in itself gives you that beautiful butterfly wing look, and it looks more like a butterfly when you have the dots on it. And I've, already had compliments on these, and everybody agrees that they know immediately that it's butterflies. So that's what I like about the white dots and everything. It does give you the look, and I just think that that's so cool. If I draw in here and show you again, how that image can look like a butterfly wing. It was just so cool. I was really glad that I had that plate for that image. I do have butterfly wings to do, but I wanted this one particular one. I just thought would be great. So now we've got the butterflies on everything. Now we're going to work on the crystals. I will return. All right. Now I've got the crystals. So I added the 3 like on the finger here, added the 3 into the big toe right there. I put 1 on the regular toes with just paint, and then the butterfly toe, I put a few of them. I put like 3. I've already done this side too, all of the crystals except for the big toe. So I'll just show you. I'm just going to use a dotting tool, and I've got some glue on a lid here. And I'm just going to get a little bit of glue and just put it right into this area here. I just want it to be, the area where I'm going to set down those crystals. So I just need a little bit of glue so I can do 3 stones there. And I got them setting right here, so I'm just going to pick them up here. Wait, I'll move over here so I can pick them up better. Okay. All right. So set it down here. Don't let that flip. So you go 1, 2, 2 together, and 1 at the top here. Just like I did on the fingers. But that's how you put them on. You just glue them down with the glue. Glue is going to hold them better. And then I am going to go over the top with Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat, which is going to help hold these stones much better. So I'm going to do that. I will dry them up, and I will return to show all of you guys the end product. Alrighty, I am all done, and I love these, especially those accent toes with the tiny little butterflies. Aren't those cute? I love butterfly wing looks. I just think they're beautiful. And of course, it's hard to see on here, but you see I did that ombre look. You'll see it better in the photos. I just think this one is darling, and it looks so great with the nails I did on Monday. It matches really great. If you didn't get a chance to see that, like I said, definitely check that one out. And here's another cute idea for a beautiful toe design. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely give it a try. And I will see each and every one of you in my next video. Good night and take care.